Hey, my name is Aditya, and here's our video submission for All-in-Hacks, and our hackathon project's name is SalesGPT. So as you can see right here, Raid is logging in to our project, and now he can upload an Excel file with our leads in it. So he's gonna show us the Excel file right now. Uh, in the Excel file, we have the name of every lead, the company they work for, and their position in the company. So if we go back to the application, as you can see, it's loading, and we will receive ChatGPT responses for the LinkedIn invite, the email response, and coffee chat questions for every lead. As you can see right here, a ChatGPT, our backend gave us all of our responses, the ChatGPT generated responses for all of our leads. Thank you for watching our demo video, and good luck to all other participants.